Yo, what's up, you guys? Trader Fix here, back with another video. So, on this one, we're going to be discussing two trade setups, which I did see in the market, but I wasn't really active at that time. So I just wanted to make this as a form of an educational video regarding SNR. So, and the first trade that we're going to start with is this sell right here, and then the second trade is the one which is currently playing out. So as a bonus in the end, we're going to do a market analysis around this area using the same information that we learned from this area and also this area, just to get an idea of what to expect next from the market. And then later on in the video, I will show you guys how to make an extra $200 so that you can be able to fund your account, and also refer you to my other channels where you can follow me for extra information. So anyway, let's start with this sell trade that happened here. So the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna remove everything here. So initially, I like to start from the monthly. So from the monthly, what I did, and if you watched the previous video, I projected this leg right here to here, and then I'm assuming that it's going to reach up until that area. So in essence, usually around or above this area, the 0.618, that's where we get small pullbacks for the continuation. So maybe this move might be leading us to a pullback. I'm not really sure how that is gonna form, but that's just the whole narrative right now. So we'll just see how it's gonna form. Maybe it might use the trend line, we're not really sure. Might use the trend line and then push higher before selling off. That's also a possibility. So anyway, let's just quickly go back to the lower time frames, just for a clear idea of what to expect next. So here on the lower time frames, right, we have gold on the daily. So on the daily, remember, we are targeting here, right? So it means that anything that we are seeing right now can be assumed to be a correction or a pullback for a push higher, right? So with using SNR, as you guys know, we have a sell, and then we also have a buy candle right here, right? Sell and then buy. So this is going to form an area of support right here from the close of the first candle, right? And then when we have a buy and then we have a sell, the close of the first candle will be our resistance area. So that's the first thing. So in this case, we had a buy and then we had a sell, right? And then we broke above that resistance area, making it what? A resistance breaks become support. That's why price ended up reacting from here. And if we do zoom in just to confirm, I think that we never really touched this area right here. That's why it's always important to know these areas. The reason why we didn't even touch this area is because usually whenever you are approaching an area of support or resistance, you focus on two areas, right? In this case, we only have this support right here, and also this resistance breaks become support, right? After it breaks and becomes support, this is the first area that we're going to encounter, and then that's why price reacted here and then pushed higher. So on the 4 hour, this is for this other trade, just so we don't get lost. So this is for this other trade, by the way. I'm just showing you so that I don't really have to go back to the daily, so that you'd understand that there's a likelihood that we might push higher from here. So regarding the trade that happened here, initially last week, I think last week or last of last week, I wanted to look for a sell from here, and I think we got a sell right here from this resistance. All right, I'm not really sure, I'll just confirm. So on the 1 hour, that sell was a bit premature, and then price ended up coming back to this area right here. Why is it doing this, man? Oh, okay, my fault. So price ended up coming back to this area. All right, that's the open close. Remember, we have to focus on two areas, right? And then the two areas that we have at the moment was only this one on the 1 hour, this one and this one on the 1 hour. So remember, gold is at an all-time high, right? We want to approach this area right here that we projected from the monthly, and then we are above an area whereby consolidations can happen. So in this case, the only thing which I'm always going to look for will just be QMs, right? And then we form this, and then this is where I'd want to sell, just like with this area right now, just like with this one. And then we sell, right? At this area right here, I'm gonna change the color right now as this one, right? This leg is this one, this leg is this one, this leg is this one. But the importance of us knowing where it's going to sell off will give us an idea of where this leg is going to end. So we always have to focus on two areas, which is this resistance right here and also this area right here. But more of this information is in the private group, so don't really want to say much, even though it looks like it could be clear for you guys, but it's only going to be clear if you do have previous information regarding SNR. So in this case, price reacted here, right? Fine. That's the area where we would be observing initially. So after it reacts here, you have to wait. You have to wait for what? You have to wait for it to form new areas of resistance, which is this one and this one. Initially, when this down candle closed, right? When this down candle closed, after reacting from this previous 1 hour resistance, when it closed, this was our only area of resistance, and then we had another sell candle right here. It then became a new area of resistance until we came back to it. So what I like to do, right, enter at the 30 pips stop loss, 30, 35 pips, depending on where the market is, and then this area here as well, right? Because I don't like having to wait on the screen like for days, having to just wait for confirmation. If it reacts here and then shows me a bearish candle, I'm gonna do this. I just set my limit, and then because I already had multiple confirmations for me to sell from this area. So is OBS even recording, man? Okay, it is. I thought it wasn't. And then for targets, if we look left, we have double bottom right here, double bottom right there, and then that's around 810 pips. So with this one, my apologies. This one I wanted to sell, right? Okay, even before we discuss this one, this is the Binance referral link, right? This is the link right here. So I'm gonna what's this? I'm going to send you guys this link, and it's going to be the first one in the description, or the second one, because the first one is usually my telegram link right here. So you just click this one, and then you join my Telegram group. So when you register here, once you just register your account on Binance, and then you verify it using the link that I send you, right? And then after that, you sign up for Binance, right? And then after that, you can go to your referral programs and then do the same thing that I'm doing, and then be able to acquire approximately 200 USD in BTC. And then if you don't know how to withdraw, just simply message me. I'll direct you to the correct video that will show you how to withdraw using BTC and convert it to USDT and then convert it to your local currency. So yeah, anyway, this is the referral link. It's going to be the second link, and then this one is the link to my Telegram channel. So once you click here, you'll find this link in my channel, or you can click it under the description of the video. So anyway, let's continue. So this trade right here, I think we have to go back to the 4 hour just to get an idea. Actually, the daily. So remember on gold, right? On gold, we did discuss that we have this area right here, which was a buy and then a sell, and then we broke above it. It became an area of support, right? So when we go down to the 1 hour, it means that let's say for now, I'm assuming that around this area we might see a push higher, right? So when we go to the 4 hour, we're going to look for possible areas to buy from, and then this is the first area right here. After we reacted from the daily, that's the first area, which is this area of support. This was a sell, and then we broke above it. It now becomes an area of support. So this is the first area that we're going to encounter. So when we go to the 1 hour, I'm not going to say much about this current area as yet. I'm going to talk about this one. So this one on the 4 hour, let me just quickly confirm. Okay, this one started on the daily, right? Started on the daily, whereby we had a sell and then a sell. We tapped that area of resistance, and then on the 4 hour it was like this, right? Whereby this was an area of support. We broke below it, it became an area of resistance, so we reacted from it, and then the market created this new area of resistance right here. So this new area of resistance right there. So this area was supposed to be our area of resistance, right? Our area where we should have sold, but I wasn't too confident. I think I was late to the trade. So then the next thing which I saw was that fine, gold on the 30-minute time frame reacted from here and then created this kind of price action, right? So I wanted to see break and close below here, but it just tapped this low and then traded higher. And if we go back to the 1 hour, let's see, I'm gonna quickly confirm something. On the 1 hour, when it was supposed to close here, it was going to give what was it going to do? I can't really remember. Let's see. Multiple time frames, man. I can't really remember, let me be honest. But after I did look at the charts, right, I did see that I already had areas of resistance, which was this one right here, buy, sell, and then this buy, which was an area of support, and then we broke below it. So when price traded and closed here, it tapped this M30 area of resistance. So that's where I was supposed to look for my entry, but I hardly ever trade on the M30, so that's why I ended up not even deciding to have my interest in gold around that area. And then I think maybe this setup right here, I'm gonna do it via live stream, so make sure that you do join the live stream. I'm gonna do it now, so maybe I might post the video afterwards. But yeah, this is the trade on gold. And yeah, don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Let's go to 100K. I'm not really sure how long that's gonna take, but yeah, let's try and attempt to go to 100K, and then yeah, more live streams, more videos will be underway. Anyway, with that said, talk to you guys soon. Peace.